Hello, Paulie from EMD Automotive. We've got a BMW E46 today. We're just doing the water pump. That's the water pump. That's the old water pump there. All the impeller was broken in pieces inside the actual water pump system, like the actual line. And today we're trying to take all the plastic out that's broken inside there, so we can fit the new water pump with the metal impeller. It doesn't have that problem again. All right. So we're just cleaning everything up, put it back together. 24 bolts holding it in. You got to remember, when you take the E46 water pump out, you got to put a screw in there and a screw in there, and screw those screws in all the way in, and that will pull the pump out against the body. Otherwise you can't take it out because the seal is really hard and it's just really seized in there. And the only way to take it out is just put a bolt in there, and then wind those bolts in, and the pump will come out properly. But it's only 4 screws, and with one 6mm and 3 5mm Allen key heads. Alright? Not that hard to do, very easy. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.